guys, another day on upgrades and mods to the Ram Rebel. Today I'm putting on those hellwig sway bar. So all I got is just one last bolt to take off. What I'm using is what we used to call in the trades a farmer's fits-all. No matter if it's metric or fractional, multi-metric, doesn't matter. It fits them all. So this one's just about ready to come loose. But I thought I'd take a few videos so far on my progress so far. What I also helped too is I have this impact wrench. So that really makes it easy to take the bolts off. So as I move further along, I'll make another vid when it's finished. And this time, unlike all the other vids about installing the hellwig sway bar, I will take it out for a test drive, film it, and let you guys know how it comes out. See you later. You know, guys, they weren't really kidding when they said there was a difference between the aftermarket hellwig and the stock brace. You can look at it. This thing is the stock one, much lighter. And look how thin it is compared to the hellwig. It's really thin. And look how thick the hellwig one is. And it's oh wow, it's much heavier. This thing is, it wouldn't even work for it as a paperweight. But this, look at the different holes you can put in for different adjustments to get a tighter or what they call normal feel. Kind of like this hole here. It's kind of like stock, but it's a few steps higher. This is the extreme, and this is the half and half, so I think I'll do like everybody else and just try it in a half and half and see how it does. I don't like it, find it not firm enough or too firm. That can always go here or go there. So just to let you know so far how all this is coming out. So again, be checking back with you guys later. Okay guys, today I'm taking the Rebel out to give you an idea of a test run of the brand new sway brace. It's kind of hard to show visually by making a video clip of what's it like. All I can just do is just tell you that it's more of a what they call seat of the pants feel than anything else. Right in front of me we got I think a 2018 or 17 Silverado. But anyways, we're going to try to do sort of like a TFL type of valuation. We're going to do our own version of the Ike Gauntlet, which you see is up ahead, this really steep hill. We have two of them. So just to give you an idea how it handles. Also what you're hearing is the, no doubt, the Borla mufflers. These are what they call the Attack Edition. You can see it's not that intrusive, but you can hear it. But then again, I have down all the windows, including the panoramic roof. So it's really open air cockpit I have here. So now you can hear the engine, but you can hear, again, there's no droning. There's nothing like that, just a nice hum. I'm even going right now about 24 miles an hour. Now just think what it sounds like if I had the windows up. You really wouldn't hear that much. See? It silenced itself. So here we go up the TFL Ike Gauntlet here in Syracuse. One thing I gotta say about the sway brace, you're talking about having a really planted feel, especially when you go over bumps. Your stopping and your acceleration, you'd be surprised how much all that improves once you put on a sway brace. And of course you can hear the boiler in the background. So this is all for the shoot. We're going to post this and let you guys gather your own thoughts. See you later.